Hey guys, what happened? The X-Porker here with you. Just got back from the range. I'm going to do a little cleaning. We'll do some cleaning on the Glock 19 that I shot up at the range and my Ruger LC9. I'm extremely happy with the 9, the Ruger that is. Got it back from Ruger manufacturer yesterday. You've seen the updated video, what they had to do to it. Here shortly I'll roll some footage of some range time today with me and my stepson. I'm very pleased with the results. Only thing left to do now is just to get I guess more acclimated to the weapon. I shot 105 rounds through the Ruger excuse me, and then I shot 45 rounds through the Glock, and I used the USA ammo. So you'll see some footage of the ammo, and I'm pleased to report that there was no issues with the ammo. No failure to feeds, no failure to ejects. Worked flawlessly. I'm extremely happy with it. I highly recommend it. You guys give them a chance. Go over and check them out. Didn't have any flyers. All the misses on the targets was all my fault. The Glock handled it very well. I was extremely surprised with that. So I'm going to do some cleaning here, roll some footage, videos get done. Hopefully I'll be done cleaning and we'll wrap this up. So enjoy the footage and I'll be back to you here shortly. Hey guys, what's happening? The X-Porker here with you. It's Friday, day after I got my Ruger back. Couldn't take it anymore, so decided to go ahead and come on up to the range after my doctor's appointment. Today we're going to be shooting my Ruger LC9, Glock 19. We're going to be using the USA ammo I told you about. Bought 200 rounds of that. Also bought the Ruger Mark III target with some CCI and some 550 Federals value pack. Same 8-inch shooting C targets. Last time I was at 5 yards. Today we're at 7, 21 feet. Brought my little sidekick with me. Had to have his McDonald's sweet tea. Can't function without his McDonald's sweet tea. So we're just going to do a little bit of shooting, see how the gun works after Ruger got finished with it, and then we're going to do some firing up some of this USA ammo. And we're not going to do a whole lot of talking. We're just going to do some shooting and see how everything performs. So sit back and enjoy. We'll catch you in a bit. Little buddy shooting a 22. Not bad, is he? Alright, you're empty. Take it out and put your nose in there.
This way?
Yep. Push the button. That one. This one. You're empty. Slow down. You're out. Alright, here we are with this Ruger. Let's see what I can do with it. First day back from the shop, I'm going to be shooting at the middle target. 3 out of 8. Windage is pretty good. Just got to get the alignment better. Get my right sights. Not bad, not bad. At least I'm hitting it today. Much better. Much better. I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. Much better. Alrighty, here we go with round 2. Not too bad. I got 15 out of 21 shots, and I'm happy with that. It's all about holding it, getting used to where to put the sight picture. So I'm good with that. I already hit it one more time out of 21 than I did out of 100, so I am smiling. Might not be able to see it, but I am happy. So I'm going to try holding it a little different this time and see what happens. Ready when you are, buddy.
What?
Go ahead. Yeah, I'm happier. USA ammo is doing pretty good. Alright, that's 42 rounds, and as you can see, I'm actually hitting the target. Not bad groupings. 8-inch target, 7 yards away. I'm extremely happy. Look at my little buddy sitting. Look at him down that target. I'm extremely happy with the Ruger. I'm liking it a lot better now. Just get several hundred rounds down through there, get acclimated where to hold it, and I think I'm going to be good to go finally. So we're just going to shoot and have some fun. Less talking now. Oh yeah, much happier with it. Much happier.
I got about 4.
You out too, buddy? Okay, extremely happy with it so far. Just got to shoot it some more to get accustomed to where to to hold it, but at least I'm on target, so I'm extremely happy with that. Right now I'm going to switch over to the Glock 19 and see how well it operates with this USA ammo. I got 3 15-round magazines all I brought with me, so we'll go ahead and dump 45 in it and see how it does. Ready when you are, brother. Looks like the Glock's handling it with no problem. Yep. Glock likes it. I believe this USA Ammo is going to be a pretty good website alternative for ammunition. Yeah, we're good. USA Ammo, guys. Go check it out. Get yourself some ammo. Alrighty. Extremely happy so far today, especially with the USA Ammo. 0 failure to feeds. No problems whatsoever. No failure to jacks. Absolutely perfect. Go ahead, buddy. I'm just talking. You don't have to wait for me. So we're going to go back to the Ruger now and get some more practice in with it.
Forgotten.
Hurry up. Okay guys, back with you. Hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Like I said, it is performing now as I expected it to. All I have to do is get acclimated to the firearm and we should be good to go. Got these guns all cleaned up, adding a little bit of synthetic grease here where the slides onto my Glock. It's usually where you find that bronze grease whenever you first get the Glock new. But yeah, I'm really pleased with the firearm, referring to the Ruger. It'll just take a few more range trips, a couple hundred more rounds, and then I should be comfortable with the gun. Right now I wouldn't carry it as a defensive weapon. I'm not that comfortable with it yet, although I am pleased to death to be able to hit the target and have some sort of control over it. At least now I know it's not me. And you got to look at 150 rounds of USA ammo. As of now, 150 rounds is not much out of 100 or 750. But I didn't have any incidents with that ammo whatsoever, so would I recommend it to anyone? Yes, I would. $140 shipped for 750 rounds. That's well worth it. I haven't been able to beat it anywhere else online. Haven't been able to beat it at Walmart. So, yes, I would recommend the ammo. And I'm back on the, I'm all over the map here because I'm just so excited. But, and back to the Ruger. Yes, I am happy. It'll take a little bit of time to get used to it, but at least I'm hitting the paper. So thumbs up for the service and repair of the Ruger. I can't wait. I'm actually going to go back tomorrow. We'll have some more time to shoot, and also got a new Ruger while this one was gone to the shop. Picked up another new one. Got a Ruger 1022 rifle. Do a video on that once I get this mess cleaned up and give you a first look at that and range report on it tomorrow. But I hope you can see how happy I am, because I'm just tickled to death. But there it is. Quick update on the Ruger. Shot 150 rounds of USA ammo through the Ruger and the Glock 19. So thumbs up guys. Thanks for watching. It is what it is.